Okay, I am making a video on the curvature of the Earth, and what I've done is I have got a tripod over here, and it has water in there, and it's level. So like, we know that this is level. It's a known flat level spot. And then what happens is, if the Earth was flat, what would happen is the Earth, the horizon, and the level of that water, they would go to a vanishing point on the horizon. So technically, if the Earth was flat, the horizon would be at the same exact level as the water in that tray right there. So I will focus in on this tray, take it off of focus lock, and zoom in, and you can see the camera is perfectly level with the top of the water. So the camera is at the same height or elevation as that water, and we're looking straight across. So we have a straight line, you know, the top of the water is a straight line, and I have the camera in line with that line, and so there's a straight line between here and the water. So now if I zoom back out and I focus on the horizon out there and then lock the focus, you can see the horizon out there is below the level of the water. Now, out there, I'm at Mount Mitchell right now, and this is what the elevation here is at Mount Mitchell. 6,684 feet. So there you have it. And off in this direction, I happen to line up that plate of water with, it's either Charlotte out there, like off. Let me get this on focus lock again. Okay, out there, that is either Charlotte or a suburb of Charlotte, and I am going to find out what that is. And even this thing right here, I will find out what this thing is. It's a building or a city, so I should be able to find out what that is by going back on maps and everything. I'm going to find out the distance to that, and I'm going to find out the distance to this right here, whatever this is. It's some sort of suburb of Charlotte, something out in that direction, because Charlotte is off in that direction. But just like railroad tracks converge at a vanishing point on the horizon, just as that happens, if the Earth was flat, it would be exactly, the vanishing point of the horizon would be even, perfectly even with the level of the water, but it's not. So what we're seeing here is the Earth curving down and away. Every 66.6 miles, the Earth curves 1 degree. And what I'm going to do now is take my camera off of the tripod here and show you what the measurements and everything are. But let me take this off of focus lock. I'm at 10 feet right here from the tripod. So there you have it. The camera is at like 10 feet 3 inches away from that setup over there. So that'll give us a distance in which to do some measurements from. So we have 6,684 feet. And then off in that direction, we see Charlotte suburbs, or Charlotte itself. And I will go up to the water here and show you one more thing. See the horizon out there? I'm looking down onto the surface of the water. So as I go lower, you'll see the horizon disappears, but I'm still above the level of the water. So if I go to the level of the water right there, the horizon's way below it. So there you go.
Now, I went through a walk through the wood down there. There's icicles dripping all over.
But that's my video for now. And you could go ahead and leave comments below and everything. I'm going to try to make another video where I go out there to that building or to that place over there, and I'm going to video back towards Mount Mitchell with this exact same setup, and you'll see what it looks like from that direction. So talk to you later.